We have monitoring spirit on the YT.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Banigo.
And my name is Constance Space.
Yes, of Constance Space. And today, I come here to come and drag and scatter and shatter something. And I brought Constance because she's not the old mouth. That's how they say it in Igbo. You know the ola for mouth, that kind of something. We want to trash some YouTube, issues that we have noticed. All you people on this YouTube space, if you know you fall on this table, then come and mark a register here. But before we jump into all that, we're going to just share some of our YouTube struggles so far. Like, I don't know if Constance is experiencing any struggles, but I have experienced a couple of them, and hopefully you guys can relate to some of the things that we're going to talk about. And yeah, this is a freestyle video. It's not like we have scripted anything down or something, so manage it there and bear with us. So Constance, like, have you experienced any struggles so far on YouTube?
Not like have I experienced. I am experiencing a whole lot of difficulty on YouTube. Sometimes you want to quit. I'll be like, I'm tired. But then again, that spirit is still there. You just want to push on and on and on. Like, for example, right now, just me, myself, the kids, the business. So trying to take care of everything, trying to make sure everything is in order, then making videos for YouTube, editing and posting, then replying comments, liking, and oh my gosh, it's not easy for me.
My struggle. I understand Constant's struggle. Me, I have 2 children, but she has 5. So I understand that struggle small. She has 5. Guys, count 5. Oh, it's not easy. After she take care of 5 children, she will now balance it with her business and YouTube. And she is in Senegal. And you're looking for somebody that will cook for you. Hook up with Constance. Run to Instagram because she prepares some nice delicacy. So she balances all that with YouTube. So I understand. But my struggle so far, Constance, is the view. That's like
the view too. Yeah.
The view is. Costa, please don't talk. You're a big girl now. You have been doing some videos and you've been seeing some KKs. So don't talk. We are still struggling with 200, 150.
It's not easy.
It's not easy, really. The views are crazy. Then, because I want to talk about copycats on YouTube.
Yeah. The thing is, I like doing my things. You understand? I just want to be unique. I just want to be different. You understand? When I started YouTube, people be like, go to YouTube, look at people's videos so you can have an idea. But then I've not done it for once. I just try to create my own idea. I just try to make my own video. I just want to be different. I just want to, as they know me for this, you understand? That's my kind of person.
But
so I hate copycats.
Have you noticed over time that on YouTube now that people, when they see a video that you do a video that is doing well, they all rush to create
exactly. It's happening right now on YouTube, and the Lord is your strength.
The Lord is their mercy. See, let me tell you something.
Do your thing.
Do your tongue. Don't go and copy because somebody is doing one. So yes, guys, like really, there's no need for us to copy. Like even if you want to copy with sense. You can go to a person's channel, see a video they did. If you're going to recreate your own, like make it like nice, different. Add some spice to it. Make it lively, you know what I mean? Make it lively, don't just copy totally. Also, Constance, I wanted to say something. Do you know, like, lots of people think that the money that YouTube is giving us is million?
Yeah, if you're not there, you will not know, you understand? So it's only when they join us, they will help us to.
But before you joined, did you think that the YouTube money was much? Like,
not really. The thing is, before I joined YouTube, a friend just called me to start up YouTube, and me not being a camera shy person, I was like, it's going to be fun. So me, initially, it wasn't about the money. It was about the fun, creating videos and all that. But along the line, I heard they pay as the same money they involve. I was like, God, I must get there. So I'm still struggling to get to 1K, get monetized, and start.
Subscribe.
Yeah, baby.
Subscribe to her.
Start getting my own money, or even if na 1 naira or something in Bisha.
So yes, guys, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, just know that YouTube doesn't pay us.
Do it for the fun.
Yes, just do it for the fun.
Enjoy doing it, and the money will come on its own.
Like, you're not gonna make billions from YouTube when you start newly. You're gonna struggle.
But sometimes I even wonder, as in people just come on YouTube for the first, and they are new on YouTube, yet you be having one big eye. You want to be like the people that have been
like
there,
yes,
like 4 or 5 years ago. It's not possible.
How?
You just came to YouTube, you just want let's say 6 months old or 1 year old. You want to be making money like those that have been there since 5 years ago.
Like all those some people are lucky that they will get a viral video and they will blow up. But then
it's not everybody. Slow and steady. You will get there. Me, I will get there. I'm not in a hurry.
So Costa, what is your thought about people who buy subscribers, buy watch hour? Some people buy their watch hour, buy their subscribers, some buy their views. Like, do you think is worth it? You've been on YouTube for a while now. Do you think, oh, I beg, buy whatever I want to buy? Oh, no, I don't support it.
You know, it's not worth it. Then it's not worth it. But then again, I don't know why they will buy views, buy watch hour, buy subscribers.
No, but for the watch hour, I think if you have the money, you can buy. Some people don't have the patience to wait for that long to get the watch hours. So if you have the money, if you have the money,
YouTube struggle is not easy. So some people don't really have the patience to go through all that and all that. But then again,
guys, everything we're talking about, like, if you agree with it, definitely leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, leave your comments with us, so that we know. I mean, you're feeling us. Yeah, definitely leave your comments.
Know what I'm saying?
Okay, yes. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is like,
we have monitoring spirit on the YT.
Constance, let's retake that place so that it will click. Oh yeah, take it.
We have monitoring spirit on YT. Guys, like, seriously, as in, all you do on YouTube is going to people's channel to monitor their subscribers, to monitor their views.
Tell me about
Una get time, sha. Like, seriously? Baby. You
are just there monitoring somebody. Say,
as in,
see how many views if the Banigos get to. Constance gets 1K views, or the Banigos get 50 views.
Some people are monitoring spirit on YouTube. As in, even before I came to YouTube, I was like, we have beef monitoring spirit on, let's say, Facebook, Instagram. I never knew it was on YouTube, and YouTube won't get great. Like, seriously,
it doesn't make sense. Then let's talk about people that used to give thumbs down, even when the video is not bad.
Yeah, they are just haters.
Like,
as in, they just want you just to make you feel bad. But then again, if I have 50 likes and I have two thumbs down, guys, I don't see you.
No. Constance, this one I want to talk. This one I will not call the person name that used to premiere every time, that used to verse you. But Constance, what is your thought about people that used to premiere? They are not entertainment channel. They are not news channel, but they will premiere all the video that is not even worth premiere. They will premiere everything.
Exactly. Do you know at times that premiere is tiring? I have one YouTuber. All her videos are on premiere, and the thing is, when she goes to my own premiere, she'll be like, sorry, it's been long I've not seen you, please visit.
She will know you.
At the end of the day, see, we don't really have that kind of time, as in much time, you understand? We all we do is just try our best to do all we can, as in just to do our best. At the end of the day, we can't be in all your videos. We will come, watch, and we have other things to take care of. So you wanting me to be in your premiere 247? I get 5 children to take care of. I've got so many things to do.
Guys, please learn not to take it a big deal if somebody doesn't come to your premiere.
Seriously, it's not easy.
If they don't come to premiere, they can always watch the main video later.
Exactly.
Don't make it a big deal when someone doesn't appear in your premiere.
I come to her premiere, she doesn't come to mine.
Like, it doesn't make sense. So
YouTube struggle.
Yes. So let me just say this one. Do you think sub for sub is worth it? Like, maybe you've not been on YouTube for so long, but you've heard so much about it. Do you think, like, sub for me, I sub for you, do you think it's worth it?
It's from that sub for sub they want you to come and watch them, they are watching you. Me, I feel if I make an interesting video and you like it and you want to watch it. And if I come across your channel and the content is something I can stay and watch, I will watch. It's not something, you can't make it for me. As you can't make it worse, as in, how I even speak English self.
Insist.
As in, you can't make it a must for me to watch all your videos, even when it's not interesting. As in, even when I go to market, I have customers, but then again, if I come to market and you are selling tomato 200 today, and the other person is selling 150, I won't even buy 200 because you're my customer. I go buy for way less than 150.
Live.
That's my kind of person. I don't try to please you and displease myself. Or do not possible, you understand? So if you have an interesting content or if your videos are interesting, I will always watch you. But then again, I don't do friend for YouTube. I can't say my friend, I can't put my head, leave better thing was supposed to do. I can't watch your video. And I don't do one. So if my own is interesting, watch. If you don't find it interesting, okay, pass. No time.
Please watch me, Costa is a big girl. I'd love for what she's saying, Watch me. Watch me, you people. See that I'm nodding my head. Please watch me. I will watch if I have data. I'll watch if I have data. But really, like, no, because I understand. But seriously, really, it doesn't, like, I know it's not easy that all our content will be a hit.
Exactly.
I mean, like, let's help ourselves. let's help ourselves, you know. Let's help ourselves. Let's try and help ourselves. Guys, I'm just going to end this video here. If you resonate with either of the things, any of the things that we have said, then definitely leave it in the comment section. And if you are feeling our vibes,
yeah, baby,
my friendship is in Nigeria. You know, that is small something, you know. Yo,
man.
So yes, guys, if you're feeling our vibe, definitely let us know. And yeah, guys, this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next one.
Bye.
Oh no, 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 bye.
Make it be the video I do. Say I want to surprise you.